Hey pal, the science gal.
Hey pal, hey pal.
Hey pal, the science gal.
Hey pal, hey pal.
Hey pal, the science gal.
Science rules.
Hey pal, the science gal.
Hey pal, the science
Hey pal, the science gal. 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 Hi, my name is Payton the Science Gal, and these are my assistants, Rai Rai the Science Guy, and Lor Lor the Science Girl. Today's topic is properties of water. Firstly, my assistants and I will cover the basics. On 3, everyone say H2O. 1, 2, 3.
H2O! Water covers about 3/4 of the Earth's surface and makes up about 3/4 of our body weight. Without water, life would not be possible. Now it's time to talk about water in more depth.
Like all matter, water is made up of atoms. Atoms mold together to form molecules. Water is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Water has several properties that make it a very unique substance. When electrons are not shared equally in a covalent bond, which is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms, the molecule is described as polar. Water molecules are polar. Its polarity gives it the ability to dissolve both ionic compounds and other polar molecules. When electrons are not shared equally in a covalent bond, which is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms, the molecule is described as polar. Water molecules are polar. Its polarity gives it the ability to dissolve both ionic compounds and other polar molecules. This means that while water molecules are neutral as a whole, one end tends to have a positive charge while the other end has a negative charge. The oxygen has a slight negative charge while the hydrogen has a positive charge. Each end of a water molecule is attracted to the other end of the opposite charged water molecule. Water's polarity is responsible for the stickiness or cohesion between molecules.
In the last section, my friend Lor Lor the Science Girl mentioned cohesion. So now I will discuss cohesion. Cohesion is known as a molecular force between molecules of water, causing the molecules to stick together. Opposite electrical charges attract, so water molecules tend to attract each other. This attraction of opposite water molecules makes water kind of sticky. As this picture shows, the side with the hydrogen atoms, which have a positive charge, are attached to the oxygen atoms, which have a negative charge. Cohesion is an attraction between molecules of the same substance. Because a single water molecule may be involved in as many as 4 hydrogen bonds at the same time, water is extremely cohesive. Since cohesion draws water molecules together, drops of water form beads on a smooth surface. Cohesion also produces surface tension, which is why some insects and spiders can walk on a pond surface. They can also carry out life functions on the water surface. For some species, the water surface provides a breeding ground and a feeding place. Water